So remember this morning when I talked about going to your secret place? Well, there's a lot of creativity that's going to be happening today. Can you guess what we're going to do? Mulling spices, apple cider, cinnamon sticks. So exciting! So I'm gonna just use what I have. I'm gonna make it more of a honey rim. So I'm gonna take, so I just use what you have in your kitchen. So you take this glass, you're gonna dip it in the honey, yum, and then you dip it in the sugar. Isn't that cute? If you or your partner prefers caramel versus honey, you can do the same thing with this. So this is caramel. And I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm gonna dip it in the caramel. Ooh. And then I dip it in the sugar. And then you're just gonna ladle the cider in each cup. Okay, so it's Friday, right? What do we always say in our IG lives? Family Fun Friday. You can make it family fun. You can make it fun for one, fun for two. Do you? But it's Friday. So I just wanted to take you guys, I showed you how to make the mulling spice cider. And this is something easy that you can do. I literally just used everything that was in my kitchen. I thought, oh, I need to go out and get orange slices, or oh, I need to go out and get this. But I really wanted to show you just how you can just pull this together for Friday evening, mocktails, cocktails, whatever you want. And basically what I did was and if you saw the video, you just want to grab some mulling spices. That's something you can get at a specialty store like Williams-Sonoma, Sur La Table, but you can also go to like an allspice food store or any type of local store that you have, because all the mulling spice really is cinnamon, allspice, and it's all of it put together. And I use like something that's more contained that I purchased at a specialty store, but you can also just use a cheesecloth. Put the spices in there, your favorite spices, that smell of fall that you love, tie it up. And then what we did was we put the mulling spices and the cider in a little pot. And you can use cider and just the spice. You could also use red wine with the cider and the spice for more of an adult beverage, like whichever you prefer. And really here at Kamilah Lifestyle, I'll always try to give you guys like a mocktail and a cocktail, just so you can have a choice for you or your guests. So basically what I did was, if you see the table, I just set everything up and made it super cute. It didn't have to be a full table setting. Even if you just put everything together in a super cute way, that works as well. So these are just little fall, I don't know if you guys can see them, like little fall leaves. And I put little berries on there and fruit. And then what we did was, there were two options. You can either use I did caramel. You can dip your glass in caramel and then put sugar, or you can use honey and put sugar. I did both. Like, I'm a person of excess, why not? And so what you can do is before, you can set everything up before your guests come, before you sit down, before your partner comes home, and you can just have it all set. And then you can pour the spice, warm the spice and the cider and put that in at the end. So really all we're doing is, like, we have our napkins set up here. I wanted to show you guys, like, all this is really simple ribbon that you can get from Michael's or anywhere. Look at that. Things get stuck. And then you can just cut the ribbon. You can tie it around your napkin. If you want to make it super spicy, you can also put cute little notes, sweet notes, grateful notes, sexy notes, like whatever is part of your own personality or however you want to explore. You can put like take a little piece of paper, put a hole punch, put whatever your thoughtful note is, put that through the ribbon with the napkin. Super cute. These are napkins that I have. It's a simple napkin. You can fold it, but again, you can also just take it, put the ribbon around it. Super cute. And so, and then when I set everything up, I always put the cinnamon stick already in. Again, you can do this alcoholic, non-alcoholic. You could even just do the cinnamon stick with Pellegrino with a fresh berry. And you know, that's fine as well. But this is our final look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out. So this is our final, this is our cider here. You wanna make sure it cools down. And look how cute, like this is just like, wait, my hair just messed up. Hold on, we gotta make sure everything. This is a moment. You're like, this is a moment. You're like, hey, it's Friday. It's a moment. I want to see how it's just super simple. And yes, this is more of a specialty glass, but you can use whatever you have. And there's nothing wrong with putting out a lot of glasses. Like you're like, oh, I'm only gonna use these 2 glasses, so I'm only gonna put 2 glasses out. Like it's all about like excess and really what's your personality. So even though I didn't use these wine glasses, if you can see, I put them out. This is only one glass that I have as an accent. It's still out. So what I'm really doing is I'm just creating an environment, because really what this is about, it's about the cider and the wine and the allspice and all those things, but it's really about the environment that you're setting. And if you can have fun, like at Mila Lifestyle, it's all about like having fun in your home, having fun in the kitchen, exploring, experimenting. And if you're having fun while you're doing it and setting up this environment, then this is your Fun Friday, and you can make it whatever you want. So I'll always give you guys little tips, little tricks. Let me know what worked for you. Let me know what you did. Hashtag my Mila Lifestyle so we can see and we can share with each other. Even if you had like, did you see when my hair like got all crazy? Like, even if you have a misstep, like tag us in the misstep, you know, and just let us know, because this is what we're doing. Like we're exploring together and we're at home and we're creating an environment. So thanks again and have fun with your mocktail cocktails. Fun Friday. Bye. Ciao for now.